welcome to Alvin Eats Healthy, where your what? Your health is your wealth. So listen, y'all, I got a very quick, good, tasty meal I'm gonna cook today. And basically, y'all, I wanna let you know, this is vegan chicken nuggets that I sliced myself to make them like strips, all right? And mushrooms, of course, and then you got bell peppers and onions. So guess what we're gonna have? We're having my version of pepper steak with rice. Rice already ready. I'm about to put the chicken and the bell peppers in there, and we about to get started. While making this meal, what we're gonna talk about is the metaverse. And the reason why I'm choosing to talk about the metaverse is because that's the latest thing going on right now. I know that's not necessarily food healthy, but it's mental healthy for your family and yourself and elders. If you have grandkids or kids, pay attention to what they're looking at. But we're gonna cook. We're gonna cook and conversate on Alvin Eats Healthy, where your health is your wealth. All right, if you notice, I have everything already diced up. Purple onions, which is my very favorite. And we got bell peppers, both red and yellow, orange, whatever color you may want to call them. To season this up really good, we're using Wayne James seasoning. And I know y'all hear me talk about this a lot. Wayne James is one of the sponsors of Alvin Eats Healthy, along with a lot of our other cooking shows. But you can't go wrong, man. He has like 5 or 6 different types of seasoning. My favorite is the vegetarian. We're gonna get started, and then we're gonna talk a little bit more about this metaverse thing. I wanna get some of the seniors and older people, or just middle-aged, whatever. Anybody that's afraid of the virtual reality life, people is coming. I'm trying my best to spread the word as much as I can, because we can't get left out, because you're gonna have a lot of municipalities gonna require you to go into the virtual world to make your payments and stuff like that. I know it seems far-fetched, but it's just like everything else. If you all can remember when they used to have Western Union, quick pay and all that kind of stuff, they don't even do that anymore. So that's just to let you know time does go by fast, all right? So along with Alvin Eats Healthy, I'm giving you some physical tips that are healthy for you as well when it comes to keeping up with the world today, all right? All right, let's go ahead and get this party started. We're gonna light this up right quick. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna use this. Remember I told you you're gonna use this Wayne James season. Here's the other one that I found. The other Wayne James season that we use, and this is the holiday version. This one is a little heavier for your meats and stuff like that. Of course, this is plant-based. We don't cook with meat. But Wayne James seasoning is strong enough. It's made for a man, but it's soft enough for a woman. I don't know why you say it for men, but I will tell you this, ladies. If your significant other is not the best cook in the world, this particular seasoning will rectify that. This is my version of pepper steak. If you notice, all I used was some frozen vegan chicken nuggets, diced them up, sliced them up a little bit. You got your bell peppers, your purple onions, and your white rice. Now look, this secret sauce, I'm gonna tell you, it's really not a secret. Just pour a little bit over it. This sauce actually came in the packet of the nuggets. I know it's good because I've had this before. I know it already tastes good. So a little white rice. Mushrooms, getting a little chicken here. And the sauce that you pour over it really makes a difference, be honest with you. And it's seasoned just right. Wayne James, thank you for the seasoning. Listen, the metaverse is coming. Familiarize yourself with it. Google it. Try to get an understanding of what it is. You don't want to be left behind. We usually be the last one to kind of catch on to things. Don't be afraid of it right now. Try to get an idea. It's not just a game, because some companies are actually using it as a form of a business. You're gonna have to go through the metaverse to do business with some of these people. So I'm just trying to put y'all up on game, all right? Now let me go ahead and eat this. I'm gonna take my time. I'm not gonna put it in my mouth hot like I did a minute ago.